What's up my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anmol, those of you who don't know me, and you are on Anmol Wadhwani Official. So recently I had just been to Sarojini Nagar market and you guys were going crazy on Instagram. Like मैंने सिर्फ एक स्टोरी डाली थी उसकी कि मैं सरोजनी मार्केट गई थी एंड मेरे को इतने DMs आए हैं, प्लीज डू अ हॉल, विच स्टोर इज दिस, yes 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 please do a haul. So here I am doing a haul for all of you and I was also really happy going there. This was not the first time I had gone, मैं पहले भी गई हुई हूँ and I have done a haul before also, but इस टाइम पे ना क्या था कि काफ़ी सारी विंटर कलेक्शन आ चुकी थी तो इसलिए मैं क्लोथ्स में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं ले पाई, बट या आई वेंट फॉर एक्सेसरीज एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ देम. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and see what all I got. You are going to go crazy. Just see this video till the end. Grab your popcorns, grab your coffees, whatever you want, because this is going to be slightly long video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe the bell icon below. So I got a lot of bags. Like I wanted some bags. मैं सोच ही रही थी कि मुझे bags चाहिए and वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे bags थे भी, but you have to find the right bag and you have to bargain over there. अगर bargain नहीं करोगे तो कोई point नहीं है सरोजनी मार्केट जाने का. तो I bargained a lot and bargain करके जो मुझे prices मिले मैं वो बताऊंगी. I'm not sure कि if you guys go you will get the same price, you might get lesser, you might get more, but it's upon your bargaining quality and your bargaining talent. Me and my friend जितना हमारे में talent था हमने पूरी कोशिश करी कि हम जितना bargain कर सके करें. So the first bag that I got is this bag right here. This is a peach color, pink peach color bag and this is how it looks. It has a string right here and ये पूरा strap है and पीछे से it has a zip also. Inside also it's very good. We got this bag because it was quite trending nowadays and it's very comfortable to just hang it on your shoulder and wear it. It's very nice, very good quality. So we got this for 300 bucks. What do you get for 300 right now? So it was a steal deal to get this for 300. इससे छोटे भी थे. I had put a mini vlog. You guys can go and check it out on my Instagram. उसमें इसका छोटा वाला I was trying. It was very tiny. Like you can't even see it if you're hanging it on your shoulder. But otherwise, this is what we got. This is the first bag that I got. The next bag that I got is this white color bag. This is how it looks. It's white in color and there's gray printing with MK written on it and this is how it looks. It's very chic and very nice. I loved the bag. You can carry it for your daytime or your night parties as well. It looks very beautiful and it will go with all your outfits. And this bag was for 1100. थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव था क्योंकि वो बोले थे फर्स्ट कॉपी एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. वी बार्गेन्ड अ लॉट एंड वी गॉट इट फॉर 1100. देयर वर मेनी शॉप्स दैट सेड कि आपको इससे कम प्राइस में मिल जाता, बट हमें कहीं पे भी ये बैग और नहीं दिखा था सिवाय इस एक शॉप के जहाँ से हमने इसको उठाया था. तो आई फेल्ट इट वॉज अ स्टील डील. 1100 में इतना प्यारा सा बैग नहीं मिलता, ऑनलाइन भी नहीं मिल रहा था. तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट invest in such a bag. I have got a lot of bags. Please मुझे जज मत करना इस चीज़ के लिए, बट मुझे bags बहुत पसंद है and मुझे जब अच्छे bags दिख भी रहे थे तो I thought why not buy it. तो please जज मत करना. This is the third bag I'm showing you right now. So this is what the sling is. You can take it like this. Also ये पूरा इतना लंबा strap है and you can carry it like this. Also you can wear it like this and you can carry it cross body as well. And this is how the color and the material looks. It's very good in quality और अंदर से भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. I loved the packaging, I loved the color और इसका कॉस्ट था 500. लाइक बार्गेन करके हमें 500 दे रहा था. हमने बहुत कोशिश करी कि हम 300 या 200 में ले लेकिन he was not ready to give us below 500. 500 was the least and the quality was so good. So I thought why not invest in such a bag. It's very good. You can carry it with all your outfits. Day time में भी और night में भी बहुत प्यारा लगता है because nude color, and nude color goes with every outfit. So the next bag that I got is this one right here. I know you must be saying कि यार ये तो बिल्कुल exactly वही बैग है, but ये थोड़ा different है. इसका कलर थोड़ा सा similar है and style भी हल्का बहुत similar था, but I forgot that I got the same color or in the same type of bag earlier. मेरे दिमाग से slip हो गया. This was the last thing that I had bought in Sarojini, and last time तक मेरा brain बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहा था. So I just got it, and this is the bag. I got two colors in the same bag. I got one in the peach color and one in this mint green color, which is so beautiful. Look at the mint green. It is very very good to carry. ये थोड़ा different color है, सब outfits के साथ carry नहीं हो पाएगा mostly, but you can carry it with most of your yellows or any whites or whatever you're wearing. You can carry it with that very easily. इसका अंदर का भी बहुत अच्छा था. You get a sling with it. पूरा लंबा sling भी हो जाएगा, and you can carry it like this also. So it's multi-purpose bag. So this bag each was for 700. ये मैंने last में इसलिए खरीदा क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल भी बार्गेन करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे, and I was crazy about this bag. I don't know why, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, तो मैंने कहा चलो why not invest it. So this was 700 and 700 each. That was all for the bags. Now let's get into the footwear. मतलब मुझे लगा नहीं था मैं इतने सारे bags ले आऊँगी, but yeah, I got a lot of bags. So don't judge me, don't come at me please, but मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. Next thing that I got is some footwear. Footwear मुझे ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आ रहे थे, कुछ कुछ आ भी रहे थे तो उनमें sizes नहीं थे, but I got two footwears out of what I saw. So this is the first footwear that I got. This is in white color. This is how it looks. It was very nice, and ये थोड़ा leather patch में है, तो it was looking nice on my foot. So I got this sandal, and this was for 250 I guess. Yeah, this was for 250. So I thought it's a steal deal. इतनी अच्छी लेदर वाली चप्पल कहीं और नहीं मिलेगी. इसका बैक सोल भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, and it has slight बहुत हल्की सी हील भी थी इसके अंदर, तो I thought it's looking nice for daily wear या ऐसे generally कभी कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो तो पहन सकते हो. It is very nice. And the next footwear I got is this MK style. MK लिखा हुआ है but obviously फेक है, फर्स्ट कॉपी है, बट या दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट. दिस इज दैट MK सैंडल्स. ये काफ़ी अच्छे लगे थे ब्राउन में, लाइक यू कैन वेयर इट विद ऑल योर न्यूज़. मैं थोड़ा न्यूड और ब्राउन ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ व्हेन इट कम्स टू फुटवेयर, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट बाय दिस. एंड इसका सोल भी बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. आई हैड गॉट सैंडल एंड स्लीपर्स फ्रॉम सरोजनी अर्लियर, और मेरे बहुत अच्छे चले थे, तो आई वॉन्टेड वन ऑफ देम, सो ये मुझे अच्छा लगा. दिस वॉज ऑल्सो फॉर 250 तक ही मिल रहे थे. उससे मैंने बार्गेन करके भी 250 में ही मिला है, उससे लेस नहीं जा रहे थे, एंड इट वॉज वेरी गुड. इट्स स्टील डील फॉर 250. Coming to the clothing, I got little clothing, not much, but yeah, this is one of the parallels जो थोड़े warm parallels होते हैं. ये वो है, it is white color. ये नीचे से ऐसे कट है, just a style, but it is very heavy and काफ़ी woolen है, मतलब full woolen parallels थे. ये full woolen plazos type है. It is वेरी 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 गुड क्वालिटी. मुझे क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगी. काफ़ी हैवी था तो उससे पता चल रहा था, और काफ़ी सॉफ्ट भी है, तो यू वोंट फील दैट थोड़े रफ टाइप मटेरियल होता है ना विंटर्स में, वो नहीं था. इट वॉज स्लाइटली in a very smooth side, तो I thought why not buy it, and this was for $500. वो उससे कम नहीं कर रहे थे. 700 उन्होंने शायद कोट किया था, 700-800, and we bargained and we got it for 500. Then I got two winter skirts. I know काफ़ी winter वाला collection हो गया था, because वहाँ था ही सिर्फ winter collection, तो I had to buy some winter stuff only. So I got two of the skirts. This is the first skirt that I got. Look at the skirt, so cute. You can wear it with your stockings. You can wear it with without the stockings as well. It is so pretty. I like the style of it. ये पूरा ऐसा style है. So there is a कपड़ा नीचे. You don't need to worry about it. And there is a button right here. So it was very good. Full zip whip भी है यहाँ पे. So it was a nice skirt that I got, and this is for $200. I got one more skirt from the same shop. This was also for 200. This is how it looks. ये थोड़ा सा इसका ये कट है, but it is a style what he was saying and the person was selling. And ये थोड़े buttons है. It is in a peachish yellowish color. That was a black and white. This has some yellowish and peachish color, so it will go with your peach, your yellows, everything in the winters, and it will look very nice. I was wanting to buy a tie-dye t-shirt, and वहाँ पे बहुत सारे tie-dye lowers और t-shirts थे, but मुझे समझ नहीं आए थे. But I got 2 of the t-shirts out of them, and this is one of the t-shirt that I got. थोड़े से oversized है, but tie-dyes are supposed to be oversized, and you can wear it wherever you want. I will wear it at home, but I'll try and wear it outside for once. But yeah, this is one of the t-shirt that I got. This is for 200, and also the next one was also for 200. I got it from the same store only. And this is the next print that I got. थोड़ी लंबी है, but yeah, this is how it looks. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ज्वेलरी के स्टोर्स भी थे एंड ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन भी थी, बट मुझे इतना ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था बिकॉज आई जस्ट वेंट टू जनपद एंड आई गॉट सो मच ऑफ इट, सो आई डिड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन दैट. But I saw this neck piece over there, which was the H&M style, the locket and this 2 neck pieces together, which looks so beautiful nowadays. So I thought, why not invest in it? And this was just for 150 rupees, so I thought, buy it. And I got one more neck piece. This is some this is a dainty type jewelry. It has a nazar battu right here on both the sides, and again it is 2 pieces together, so it looks very pretty and chic whenever you want to wear it with subtle jewelry type thing. And this was for 100 rupees. And then I got some of the clutchers जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद हैं. This is one of the clutcher that I got. This was for 30 rupees. Yeah, this was for 30 rupees. And this is the other one. This is in gold. That was in rose gold. Both were for 30 rupees, but it looks so pretty, and you can wear it if you're going for a wedding. Also, you want to close your hair and you want it to look nice, you can wear a golden type clutcher. It will look very nice. Then I got 2 pairs of small dainty earrings. I wanted to try these out because daily पे मुझे ऐसे earrings पहनना बहुत पसंद है. So there's a star and there's one dot of type of a diamond type thing, but not more than that. And this is the other earring that I got. Both were for 50 bucks. This was for 50. I know it's slightly expensive, but ये मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पहनूंगी डेली पे, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट कर लिया कि तो कोई बात नहीं, चलो 50 का है तो let's just buy it. But this is how it looks. I usually wear this type of earrings almost every single day. And the last thing that I got, as it was a Navratri season and I wanted to buy something for Navratri type looks, so I got 2 of the nut that you wear it on your nose. I'll just show you. This is one of the nut that I got. This is in black. This is how it looks. I need to wash it and only then I'm going to wear it, but this is how it looks. I'll just show you the gist of it. And the next thing also, I got the same type of nut but in white stone. That was in black stone. I got this one in white stone. So yeah, these 2 were also for 50 bucks. So total for 100. This was also slightly expensive, but yeah, क्योंकि ये बोल रहे थे ये थोड़ा सिल्वर टाइप मटेरियल है, ये आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलता है. They were not ready to bargain at all. One thing that I didn't expect that I'm going to buy it in Sarojini is this lamp right here. It's such a huge lamp, and they were quoting me 3200 for it, but I thought it's too expensive. But I bargained and I bargained and I got it for 1700 only. You don't get a bulb with it, but you get the stand and you get that round thing with it, and it was such a beautiful lamp. I wanted this lamp in my studio or in my room, so I thought why not invest in it. And yeah, so I thought 1700 is not that bad. मैं ऑनलाइन भी खरीदूंगी तो भी मुझे इतना ही मिलेगा, एटलीस्ट मैं यहाँ से देख कर तो लेकर जा रही हूँ. तो I invested in that and I got that lamp as well. So yeah, that's it for the haul, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know which product was your favorite, which I got out of all of them. And also tell me if you want me to do more such hauls or not. And yeah, I'll be back soon with something new. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe the bell icon and do share this video with all your friends, and go to Sarojini and get something for yourself. It's totally worth it. You need to find the right product, but you're definitely going to get it. So yeah, I'll be back soon with something new. Till then, love and peace from my side. Goodbye.